What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got SzaZs back in the building with another awesome creation. This one is nice and it's animated and it's a hybrid watch face. Now my man, he pretty much always gets down on some awesome analog and or digital watch faces. Do not sleep on this guy. Now with that being said, the name of the watch face is called Future Reloaded. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look, which is going to be the same look for the most part. It's going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode for the Gears 3. For the Gears 2, you're going to get a totally different look, but you will be able to get your analog time at a glance with no problem. Once the watch face is on, again, I love the animation around the bezel of the watch. If you look at the meter at the top, that's going to be your battery info, and you got one down here at the bottom, that's going to be your step status info so far as your goal completed. In the center, you are going to get your data information, you're going to get your floor climb, your step info, battery info, and your heart rate. And down at the bottom, digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. Now, what I like about it is that if you don't want to see that, you want to use this more so as a super casual watch face, you can get rid of your step info, right? Which I thought was really nice, but I like it in for a casual day. Now, you do have a couple of places where you can set shortcuts. You got one here. And you also got one over here on this side as well, which is cool, which means that you can make this watch face just that much more convenient for you, which I thought was pretty nice. Tap on the date, you can set an event, you can go down to the bottom, of course, tap on there and get your calendar. Well, you can set an alarm. And if I double tap down at the bottom, you can change the color theme of the watch face. I'm telling you, my man really got down on this one. You got so many different color variations that you can change this to. It's not even funny. I'm loving it. I love the detail of it. Now, look at the analog hands with this color of the watch face. Now, it blends into it beautifully. I like the fun look. I like the casual look of the arms as well. Now, you got a nice, smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, and that screams premium always, all the time. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.